Hello everyone. So update on Take a Break. iOS notifications are 99% done. I don't want to say 100% because there's always like an edge case or something you didn't think about when testing. So I hope it's mainly out of the way. The main issue I had was in the flow, or not in the flow. Let's say a user used the app and they had the reminders and they got notifications like here 9 a.m. But then at some point they go into the settings, iOS settings, and again settings not working. Never mind, settings not working. In the iOS settings where you can disable notifications for a specific app, they disable them, and then at that point the user, let's say, adds a reminder to, let's say, 2 p.m. right, every day. When they add this reminder just now, when they save it here, and in the iOS settings app, notifications for this app are disabled, this is not saved in the system. So even if they go into the iOS settings app, turn on notifications after they added this notification, or they can edit or remove whatever, that doesn't take effect if notifications are disabled. I can't save, I can't edit anything in the iOS system for notifications. So that was like my main issue, which again I hate that, not hate, I wish there was a way that when a user goes to the settings and changes something in the push notifications, let's say, again, disable or enable is like the main one, but maybe like a banner style, this doesn't matter because you don't get a banner. Maybe sound could be something that you might want to know about, but mainly enabling or disabling, waking up the app in didn't finish launch with options for like just do some basic thing. That would be nice, but unfortunately there isn't, or I haven't found a way, and if you know, please let me know. So what that needs, and that point what needs to happen is that the next time the user comes back to the app should check if there's like a delta, a diff between what it knows for notifications and what it now has, and then make that change. So hopefully that is working now. The main thing I want to add is tests, and ChatGPT should help me with that. Of course, it was a great sidekick to have to get the logic up and running, like brainstorming it. But again, that works. Just scheduling the notifications at the start, like that flow there, I had some issues with that. Again, mainly pointing at this situation of changing the reminders if the user disables all notifications. Well, I'm saying notifications too many times. Anyway, it's mostly there, mainly testing on device and unit tests. And next step, which I really like to do, is prepare the app with any minor things that still need to be changed or added, and submit it to Apple review, or not to the store, just for the actual review, not test flight review, just to see if there's anything that Apple can see and doesn't like, and then you need to go back and fix it. So I like to send it out half-baked, or I don't think it's half-baked, it's like 75% baked, ready, but even without a paywall or a Revenue Cat SDK, but just to see that they don't have like an issue with the basic concept of the app or anything like that I need to go and change first. So that will be next after finishing reminders. That's it for today. Have a great day. Bye.